Standard printer paper is thin, smooth, and flexible. But to produce a single sheet, the process must begin with a massive, rugged tree. Bridging that physical gap requires a vast industrial operation. This is the Sabah Forest Industries Complex, a facility the size of a small city, situated between the ocean and the surrounding timberlands. We are going to trace the 7-step journey of paper manufacturing, following the wood from the raw forest floor to the final cut sheet. Examining this process reveals how raw nature is converted into the specific utilities we use every day. This diagram outlines the sequence. Step 1 is harvesting and transport. Heavy machinery cuts logs from sustainable forests, loading them onto trucks for delivery. Step 2 is initial physical breakdown. Logs enter industrial machines that shred solid wood into small, manageable chips. To see the production scale, look at these wood chip piles. These mounds are several stories high, dwarfing the surrounding roads and transport vehicles. While this mechanical destruction is necessary, it's just preparation for the chemical transformation that follows. Chips enter the digester for step 3. This functions as a high-pressure chemical oven, using heat and chemicals to break down lignin, the natural glue holding wood fibers together. Once dissolved, the material emerges as a liquid-heavy substance known as brown pulp. Housing that high-pressure reaction requires the towering vertical structures and smokestacks seen here at the dedicated pulp plant. These vats represent step 4, cleaning and bleaching. Brown pulp moves through wash cycles to remove impurities and leftover wood particles. Bleaching agents then alter the material. As it passes through, the pulp shifts from brown to the bright white required for standard paper. Without the chemical process to dissolve lignin and strip color, the material remains dark and brittle. This section shows pulp entering step 5. At this point, the mixture is actually 99% water. Flowing over a moving wire mesh, the water is sucked away. With liquid removed, the microscopic wood fibers interlock to form a solid bond. In step 6, this web threads through steam-heated drying cylinders. Pressure and heat remove final moisture, flattening fibers into a dry, continuous sheet. Finally, in step 7, miles of paper spool onto jumbo rolls before being cut into individual sheets. Successfully extracting that water at high speeds provides the paper with its structural integrity, resulting in a material that is both thin and durable. Looking at the complete sequence, the flow is uninterrupted. Raw wood is dissolved chemically, flushed with water, and then pressed dry. The finished jumbo rolls are moved to these storage warehouses. From there, they are packed into shipping containers in the logistics area for global distribution. When you print a document, you are utilizing the output of heavy engineering and precise chemical reactions. Every single page you hold begins its long life deeply rooted in the complex, living ecosystem of a vast forest.